you okay?
The ground, stupid chairs.
Yeah.
I think we got off on the wrong foot earlier. I'm a musician too. Writer, not performer.
Sick, yeah. What kind of stuff do you write?
Classical, mostly.
Yeah, classical.
Yeah, but I'm trying out other styles too, like pop, folk, R&B, rock, electronic, but mostly pop though, and
Wellesley.
classical. Garrett?
Babe, I am always telling you to wear your jacket. You never do.
Oh, no. What?
Hey, I'm,
I know you are, man. Yeah, you annihilated Eastwood today.
Yeah, thanks, man.
No worries.
You're a hockey fan?
Yeah, my dad played. You know, nothing like Phil Graham, but, yeah, we'd watch together. You're Hannah, right?
Yeah.
Hannah Wells.
Right. Now, it was nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Officially.
Oh? Okay.
See you around.
Sweet.
Yeah. Who the hell was that? And how do you suddenly know my name?
Don't worry about it. And you're welcome.
For
Now Jacob knows who you are.
Justin.
Whatever. Look, guys like that only want what someone else has, especially when that someone is a POV athlete.
You really have a healthy opinion of yourself, don't you?
I actually thought that was pretty modest. I could have said starting center, team captain, highest scorer for 2 seasons straight. It worked, didn't it?
Why do you care? I haven't been particularly nice to you.
You're a music major, right? I saw your Instagram. You sort of disappear when you play. I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean, you love it, I can tell.
Don't you love hockey like that?
I don't know. It's just something I've always done to impress my dad.
And does it?
Nothing impresses him. Not really.
What about your mom?
She died a while back. Cancer.
Oh.
Look, I don't believe in favors or shortcuts. I don't want to pass this class because somebody handed me the grade. I want to earn it. And I'm pretty sure you're the only one who can help me do that.
So what? I help you study for the midterm and you play my fake boyfriend to get Justin's attention?
Something like that.
You'd still have to pay me.
Obviously.
Don't forget. That's your girl, Graham.
This is my dance space. This is your dance space. I don't go into yours, you don't come into mine.
You've seen Dirty Dancing.
That's my mom's favorite movie. Still a dated reference, though. See? Hey, this is why this is perfect. You're not interested in me, and I'm not interested in a relationship.
So this arrangement is mutually beneficial.
Purely transactional. So?